Garageland on Cruinniú and on RTE2XM.
Should I be in love at this point of my life? Or should I at least know where I'll end up? Should I have my future planned, or at least the next few months? I don't even know what I'll have for lunch, and don't tell me your name, oh I won't remember. Don't tell me your mistakes, so I won't forget them. And if I wanted to change, I would go and get it, but I'd rather be alone. I do better when I'm on my own. I do better when I'm on my own. If I had the choice to sit on my own or have a conversation with someone I barely know, I think the option is obvious. I'd rather keep my self-confidence. But don't tell me your name, oh I won't remember. Don't tell me your mistakes, oh I won't forget them. And if I wanted to change, I would go and get it, but I'd rather be alone. I do better when I'm on my own. I do better when I'm on my own. I don't care about your favorite color. I don't wanna know where you go when it gets bad. I don't mean to come off as rude or self-centered, but I can leave a room with an empty mind and still feel just as bad. And don't tell me your name, oh I won't remember. Don't tell me your mistakes, oh I won't forget them. And if I wanted to change, I would go and get it, but I'd rather be alone. I do better when I'm on my own.
Garageland is where young people's music gets heard.
Garageland on Cruinniú and on RTE2XM.